In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your internet download speed on Google Chrome. We all know how frustrating it can be when web pages take forever to load, especially when you're trying to get something done quickly. Thankfully, there are a few simple steps you can follow to enhance your browsing experience and speed things up. So, grab your device and let's dive in. First, let's talk about clearing your browsing data. Over time, your browser accumulates cache, cookies, and various stored files. These are meant to help websites load faster, but they can actually bog down your system if left unchecked. Regularly clearing this data is essential. To do this, head over to your Chrome settings. Once there, find Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Here, you'll be given a choice of what to remove. For the best results, select Cache and Cookies. Clearing these can refresh your browser and can significantly improve speed. Next, let's address your extensions. Extensions can be really useful, but having too many, or ones you don't even use, can consume valuable resources. They can be like little programs running in the background, using up your system's bandwidth. To manage these, go to your Chrome menu and select Extensions. Take a moment to browse the list and disable or remove any extensions you no longer need. This can help reduce load time and improve overall performance. It's just like spring cleaning, but for your browser. Keeping Google Chrome updated is another essential step in optimizing download speed. Google frequently releases updates to fix issues and enhance the browser's functionality. If you haven't updated Chrome in a while, you might be missing out on new features and optimizations that can help improve speed and efficiency. To ensure you're on the latest version, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then navigate to Help and select About Google Chrome. If any updates are available, they will be automatically installed. Updating can often resolve bugs and glitches that hamper your internet speed. Each of these steps is straightforward, but combined, they can greatly enhance your browsing experience. Implementing these changes can lead to faster internet speeds and a more responsive browsing experience. Remember, maintaining your browser by clearing data and managing extensions, alongside keeping it updated, plays a crucial role in boosting download speed. With these tips, you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying the internet. Thank you for joining me in this video on boosting your internet download speed in Google Chrome. I hope you found these tips helpful and are ready to surf the web at lightning speed. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one, and feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Happy browsing!